So who is Sophie Allport? Well, in a nutshell, Sophie's my sister. She is the artistic talent behind what we do. And back in the day, gosh, searching back to 1980s, I realised that she had far more talent than I did, and it's always been in the back of my mind from that we would start a business together. We didn't start that business until 2007, and that was principally started because our father had a severe stroke at the age of 59, putting life into perspective. You only live once, and we decided that we wanted to give it a go. So in 2007 we set the business up around the kitchen table. And slowly but surely, with a lot of hard work and keeping our head down, we've grown it over the years into what it is today. So the world is a very competitive place, and I learnt that in month 3 of our journey. I'd written strategies and it was all very easy to put things down on paper, but the first trade show we went to, it blew everything out of the water. I was expecting order after order. Sadly, that didn't materialise, and it made me realise that if we wanted to succeed, we had to work really, really hard. How have we succeeded? I think Sophie's artwork is totally unique, and that stands us apart, and that forms the basis of everything that we do. Recognising the strengths that we have and playing to those has been really, really important. So my background is I'm an accountant, and systems I've grown up with, and I've appreciated that they form the backbone of any business if it wants to grow and be scalable. So we did an awful lot of research, and the one company that stood out for us was Khaos Control. We were lucky enough that it's just up the road in Grantham, which helped seal the deal for me particularly. What I also liked about it is that it encompassed the whole business, so it would manage all of our orders coming in, all of our POs going out, easy to report on so many different parts of the business. And it had a very user-friendly interface. Whereas some of the other systems that we were looking at were quite clunky and not really in the 21st century, if I'm being honest. We had a manual system before Khaos Control to try and manage the orders that we were getting, and it was becoming so difficult. So at the start, I think using Sales Invoice Manager transformed our business, prioritising orders with dates when they were supposed to be dispatched. And then more latterly, what I'm really enjoying out of Khaos is the automated reports that our champion user, super user, has created. At the press of a button, I can get daily figures across all of our different sales channels. So we've got a super user, Keely, who Khaos Control call a champion. I think with something as complex and as huge as Khaos Control, you really need to invest in a super user. It is amazing what Keely finds that Khaos can do, and then we try and implement it at different areas of our business. You know, we've helped really manage our new product launches using Khaos. Giving everybody visibility within the business of what's happening is just one example. The key for us as a business is making sure that that one person passes knowledge down to other people to bring other people up, and so as we continually grow, it's not all down to one person to manage it. The main thing that I love about Khaos Control is that I trust it. We've been using it for nearly 6 years now, and in that 6-year period we have not had one data corruption, which gives me the confidence to grow with it. Prior to implementing Khaos Control with a well-known software provider, we were having data corruptions once every month, and it was absolutely devastating for a business to try and run like that. Another thing actually I really enjoy about Khaos Control is we learn and find new things about it every week, every month, and after a period of 6 years, that's quite amazing. And I know that I can trust it to grow our business in the future. One of the key things we do is just keep our head down and keep producing things that we like. You know, we are very much an inward-looking company, and we don't sort of concentrate on what's going on outside of our business. But ultimately, we would like to become a recognised household brand name within the homeware lifestyle sort of sector. We have a great bunch of staff who work for us who are dedicated, ambitious, you know, and we want to keep growing for them.